Hello friends, I will tell you multiple choice question of geography. Okay, so start and join the class. First question is Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution Mission MAVEN is a space probe developed to study the atmosphere of Mars. It has been developed by A. Indian Space Research Organization, B. China National Space Administration, C. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, D. Russian Federal Space Agency. So correct answer is National Aeronautic and Space Administration, because Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution Mission is a space probe developed or designed by NASA to study the atmosphere of Mars. It was launched on November 18, 2013 and entered orbit around Mars on September 21, 2014. Next question is Myanmar does not share its international boundary with A. Laos, B. Thailand, C. Vietnam, D. India. So answer is Vietnam, because Myanmar is bound by China to the north and northeast, Laos to the east, Thailand to the east and southeast, India to the northwest, Bangladesh to the west and Andaman Sea to the south. Then next question is third. Which of the following is responsible for the fact that tennis ball bounces higher at high altitude than in planes? A option low gravity, B high gravity, C less dense air, D low atmospheric temperature. Answer is less dense air, because the rarefied air at high altitudes gives less resistance to ball. Then next question. The name of Robert Watson Watt is associated with which among the following invention? A option steam engine, B electric bulb, C radar technology, D microwaves. So answer is radar technology, because Sir Robert Alexander Watson Watt was a Scottish pioneer of radio direction finding and radar technology. He started looking for accurate ways to track thunderstorms by using radio signals given off by lightning while he worked in the meteorological department. Next question, fifth question. On which planet, due to its clockwise east to west rotation on the axis, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east? A option Mercury, B Venus, C Earth, D Mars. So answer is Venus. Venus rotates on its polar axis backward compared to Earth. So a Venus sunrise occur in the west and sunset in the east. Then next question. Cataclysmic nuclear explosion caused by the accretion of hydrogen onto the surface of the white dwarf star would be termed as A option NASA, B option nebula, C option neutron star, D option pulsar. So right answer is nova. A nova is a transient astronomical event that causes the sudden appearance of a bright, apparently new star that slowly fades over time. It is caused by nuclear explosion caused by the accretion of hydrogen onto the surface of the white dwarf. Okay. Then next question is seventh question. During which of the following events the distance between Sun and Earth is maximum? Aphelion, Parhelion, summer solstice, D winter solstice. Seventh answer is aphelion, because the Earth is closest to the Sun. Perihelion. Around 3rd January, Earth is farthest from the Sun. Aphelion. Around 4th July. Next question is, which among the following is true about total internal reflection? A option, a ray passing from rare to denser medium and not able to pass to denser medium at an angle greater than critical angle. B option, a ray passing from denser to rare medium and not able to pass to rare medium at an angle greater than critical angle. C, a ray passing from either denser to rare medium or rare to denser medium and not able to pass any medium at an angle smaller than critical angle. D option, none of the above. So right answer is B option. A ray passing from denser to rare medium and not able to pass to rare medium at an angle greater than critical angle. Okay. Then because a ray passing from denser to rare medium and not able to pass to rare medium at an angle greater than critical angle. Critical angle is the angle in which the incident ray is 90 degrees to that of the refracted ray. Then next is, what is the length of day and night when the rays from the sun directly vertically fall on equator? So A option is day is lengthier than night. B option, night is lengthier than day. C option, day and night are equal. D, none of the above. So right answer is C, day and night are equal, because the length P of day and night are equal on the equator. This is because the rays of sun fall vertically on the equator. Then last question, 10th question is, Baltic Sea and North Sea are connected by Kiel Canal, B Panama Canal, C Suez Canal, D none of the above. Answer is Kiel Canal, because the Baltic Sea and the North Sea are connected by the Kiel Canal. The Kiel Canal is 98 km long freshwater canal in the German state of Schleswig-Holstein. The Kiel is the world's busiest man-made waterway for seagoing ships, using by a similar number of ships as on the Panama and Suez Canal.